I'll show you how to replace the camera glass on your iPhone 7 Plus. So use either knife or something sharp just to get this glass out. As you can see right here, there's pieces left. Try not to damage your camera. As you can see, just the rest of the stuff came on pretty easily. The hardest part is in the middle, like this stuff. It's glued really well. And now try to clean it all the way around, so that yellow stuff, adhesive or glue, whatever it is, try to clean it really good so your new one will go in pretty easy. Make sure it doesn't have any gloss all the way around it. And then you can just buy one of this, the gloss for the back, and just glue it back in, pretty much. Just clean it really good so it'll get stuck in. Make sure there is no gloss on your camera. Here it is. Use one of those things. I'm just gonna use glue. It's a little bit better. And then just install a new one. Add some glue in it. Or use this adhesive, whatever you like. I like glue more. It's a little bit easier to use. And it sticks much better if you use glue. And there you go. And just stick it in. And it's been fixed, just like new, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.